Hi, this is Tim with OS College, and this is a quick video for Google Slides. Google Slides is the presentation application for the Google Office Suite, and it's a quick video. So in this quick video, we're going to be looking at giving a version in in presentation's history a name. So you can at different points a snapshot is taken of a presentation, and you can have Google Slides take a snapshot so you can go back and to that particular version if you make a mistake in the future and want to go back, and you can name that particular snapshot. So to do that, I'm going to add images here in a minute, but I'm going to take a snapshot of this this Road Bikes 1980s presentation at this particular point, in case I don't like the images I've inserted and simply want to go back and start it over again. So you click File, go to Version History, and then Name Current Version. A dialog appears. I'm just going to call it Before Images Added to the Title Slide. And I'm going to click Save. And if I go back to File and to Version History, then see Version History, and you can see it's the most current version, and it's the one that's been given a name. I'll make some changes here and show you how you can go back to that particular version. So what I'm going to do is insert some images. Go to the Insert in the Images submenu, search the web, and I've got my terms 1980s road bikes. I'm actually going to click this, and then I'm going to select a few of them. Select these two. Go ahead and insert them. It puts them in one box together and links them together, but I want to rearrange them a little bit. So I'm going to move this one over. You just simply click on the individual image. I'm going to resize it a little bit smaller. I'm going to grab this one and drag it to the bottom left corner. And so I've started to design the title page, but let's say I decided I didn't like these images, and I had added some more images that I didn't like, and I decided I want to start at the beginning. Simply go back to File, go down to Version History, and see Version History, and you can see the current version is one with the images, but you simply click this Before Images Add to Title slide, and it shows you what it was like before the images were added, and I can click Restore this version. And then this dialog appears. Click Restore Version again, and that's basically a quick overview of how to name a snapshot of your presentation at a certain point in time and go back to it. This has been a quick video for Google Slides demonstrating how to add a snapshot to the version history and give it a name. Check out other videos about Google Slides and other Google applications on the OS College YouTube channel. There are videos about other applications as well. You also can check out videos and articles on the OS College website, and you also can visit our Facebook page. Be sure to subscribe to receive notification of future videos. Thank you for watching. This video was made with Kdenlive.